Hey guys, Brent here. You might be wondering, what am I doing walking through the bush on the edge of a mountain wearing this ridiculous red shirt? I'll answer that in a minute, but first a quick backstory. About 8 months ago I set up Photo Bootcamp Academy, my membership, where each month I create a challenge for the members and myself, and we go out and shoot images for this challenge. And this month the challenge is the color red, and that's why I'm wearing this ridiculous red Piggly Wiggly shirt I got over Christmas in Wisconsin, where my in-laws live. So my personal red challenge for this month is to photograph these Gymea lilies behind me. They're native to this area of Australia, and they're beautiful and they're in full bloom right now, and that's why I'm back on Gang and Lookout to photograph them. So why did I set up this challenge? Why did I set up Bootcamp as a challenge space membership community? Well, I believe that photographers and creative people need a challenge all the time, a monthly challenge to go out there and stretch their creativity. So what happens is everyone is doing the same challenge at the same time. So you've also got this community feel, and you've got everyone else doing the same thing, so you feel like you need to actually go out and do it with everyone else. So there's this accountability factor also, which really helps. So that's why I'm out here first thing in the morning, getting eaten by mosquitoes. Geez, they're all around me. Photographing the challenge, because I've also got a deadline. I've got to get it in before the challenge ends. So guys, this is what you need to do if you're watching this video, which you are, I assume. You need to go out and set yourself a challenge, a creative challenge that's going to stretch you creatively so that you become a better photographer. Whoa, almost tripped over there. And maybe a bit of advice too is, when you're filming yourself walking through the bush, be very careful where you walk on these loose rocks so you don't have an accident like I almost just had over there. If you've got a local camera club in your area, join it, because they often have a competition, a challenge where you can enter your images and get feedback from people, and everyone's doing the same challenge at a time. And if you don't, consider joining my bootcamp, Photo Bootcamp Academy. I got a link below this video where you can join the waiting list, and I'll let you know when I open it again, because I only open it from time to time every few months and let only a limited number of new members in, so that we can keep it nice and small and keep the whole community feel happening. That's it guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me feedback below this video. I do answer all the comments, and this is Brent. Have an awesome day.